So I'm gonna be using first a spatula. Stir this. Meanwhile, I'm waiting for this to melt. Let me start on with my dough. So for ingredients for our dough, I'm gonna be using 1 cup of softened butter, and then we will be using 1.5 cups of brown sugar. We'll beat this. I'm gonna be mixing my dry ingredients together. So I have here 2 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour, and I have 2 1/4 cups of rolled oats, and then I have here 1 teaspoon of baking soda. So I'm just gonna stir this together. Okay, let me check on my chocolate. Stir your chocolate occasionally so that your chocolate won't burn. Okay, so I need a few more minutes to have that melted. So I'm gonna go back to my batter. I'm gonna be adding 2 eggs. And then we'll put this one at a time. I'll also be adding 1 teaspoon of the vanilla. Then we add the dry ingredients. So before you start baking, make sure that you preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. The pan that I'll be using here is an 8x12 pan. Let me get it so I can show it to you. I greased this already with butter, so your bar won't stick to the pan. It'll be easier for you to take it out. There are actually different kinds of bars. So this is one bar that you can make at home. Of course, there are also brownies. So meron tayong blondies also. What's good here, because we're using oats, may fiber na yung ating dessert. So even though it's medyo sinful, kind of get something good out of it too. So I'm gonna be putting my dough on the bottom of the pan. And then what I'm going to do, I'm gonna be reserving about a cup or handful of dough pang lagay natin sa taas. So smooth na siya. So as you can see, nag-glisten na siya, tsaka wala na siyang lumps. I'll turn off the heat. And then I'm gonna be adding the 2 tablespoons of butter. So the butter is the one that will make your chocolate shine. Okay, assemble na tayo. Ito matapos. So, what I'll do, ipapat ko yung dough on the bottom of the pan. So, I can use a spoon. So, we'll just press it down like this. Actually, you can use your hands also, kaya lang medyo malagkit. So, gamit na lang tayo ng spoon. I bet this celebrant who's going to receive this will love this, because this is actually one of my favorites too. So yan. So napat na natin yung ating, so even out ko lang siya ng konti to smoothen it out. Chop some walnuts. I'm gonna be using 1.5 cups. Of course, if you don't want walnuts, you can replace this with other nuts. So pwede kayong gumamit ng almonds, pwedeng cashew, pero for me, the best is really walnuts. So, roughly chop lang para meron pang chunks na nakakagat. And the nuts will add texture also to our bar. So, when you eat this, if you have tried the Revel bar, or if you haven't tried the Revel bar, when you do this, or when you make this at home, meron siyang konting crunch. Okay, I think this is good. So, rough chop lang tayo. So, let's break this apart. And then, I'll be throwing all this in to cover my dough. Okay. Yan. Next thing, pour na natin yung chocolate over. So, you can see, oh, ang gooey-gooey na niya, oh.
Dami nilagay.
I personally like dark chocolate kaya bittersweet chocolate yung ginamit ko. So kung ayaw nyo ng masyadong strong na chocolate, you can also use semi-sweet or milk chocolate. Yan. Just make sure that we cover all the sides para every slice will have a chocolate center. Let me take out the remaining dough. What I'm gonna do is like I'll get pieces of this or like I'll crumble it and then top it on our bar. So here, this will add crunch also to the texture of the Rebel bars. Okay, we're ready. Ayan, and I will put this in the oven. I've cooled this completely already. And I can't wait to slice this. If you slice this on a 2x2 size, 2x2 inches, you'll get 24 pieces. But since kukupit ako ng isa, 23 na lang yung ipangre-regalo ko. So, gugupitin ko yung side, akin yung corner. So, you can see, medyo gooey pa siya. Oh, wow. Wala ah.
May melt pa yung chocolate niya. Mainit pa,
Nakita niyo, super gooey siya.
Pero pag lumamig yan.
And then, of course, may crunch tayo because of the nuts and the oatmeal crust.
Nakuha mo na yun yung pag nilagay.
Ngayon, I'm gonna be slicing this later so that I can get it ready for the gift. I'm Arlene. Join me again next time and get inspired as I turn ordinary dishes to my favorite recipes. My favorite recipes would like to thank Kashika, Una Rosa, Apple